Hi everyone, my name is Kasha and today we are going to make spicy Italian sausage. First you want to start off cubing the meat, also separating the fat and putting it into a separate container. Please make sure the cubes are small enough to go through the hole of your meat grinder. Here I'm just showing you my fat pile and also the meat pile that I made so far. Now it is time to weigh out 3 3/4 pounds of meat. Now it's time to add 1 1/4 pounds of fat. Now place in a large container for mixing. Get a little bowl ready for all your seasonings. Time to add your salt, sugar, fennel, coriander, oregano, black pepper, hot paprika, smoky paprika, minced garlic. For your meat, you want to add your red wine and your ice water. Now you can add your bowl of seasonings. Get your gloves ready because now it is time to mix. You can start grinding at this point, but I prefer to take it and put it in a separate container and refrigerate it overnight. Also, before grinding, I prefer to freeze it for a few hours. I'm using the fine die for this recipe. Your sausage is ready at this point. You can use it for hand patties or ground. If not, follow along. Soak your hog casings in warm water for 30 minutes. All right, now let's get everything ready so we can start stuffing. I found out if you wet the tube before you put the casing on, it glides on much easier. Make sure you tie off the end. Now for making your links, you want to pick out your desired size, pinch, and then twist. You will repeat this process again, but going in an opposite direction each time. Don't forget to tie off the other end. Get your vacuum sealer, paper towels, or napkins. After you place your desired amount of sausages in your package, make sure you put your napkin or paper towel at the end to catch any moisture so you can get a proper seal. Now it's time to label and freeze. You can freeze these to up to a year. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more delicious videos. Questions or tips, please drop them down below.